Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this particular video we are going to do the unboxing of the Buds VS103. These are the headphones which I got it previously in black color, and do check the link in the description for more pricing etc. So I got this for a big billion day sale for less than around 900 rupees, and opening this particular box will reveal the headphones itself. And this is not the best sounding quality, I would say, but the most comfortable headphones if you are into that. And even the packaging etc is quite good. And like always, noise. It is basically a bit difficult to open this packaging. I hope noise makes it very easy, and it comes with some manuals and some stickers, guys. I don't know why, and y'all can either use it or skip it. So again guys, if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing, and also do not forget to press that bell notification icon to get any future updates whenever we upload any new video. And in the box we get a Type-C connector, and it's a great move by Noise to come with the Type-C connectors, because you don't have to carry another micro USB charger with you when you are traveling. And unwrapping this from its package, it really looks good. I really like the build quality of this, and the color looks fantastic, guys, especially the matte color over here. And even this nice gray accent is subtle, which I really like. And this LED indicator also shows you whether it is charging or not, and for various functions and all. So removing these particular headphones from the packaging, you all have to get rid of this remove me stickers. And it is a nice case, guys. I would say one of the better cases which I have seen. And again, Type-C is there, so with the help of which you can charge your headphones. So you can also charge it with the same cable which comes up with your phone if you are using a Type-C connector. Again, let us just remove this wrap quickly, because this is just there to avoid charging while shipment. And after removing it, you will be able to enjoy your music and start charging your headphones too from the case. So let me also do a review of this. So please subscribe and hit that like button if you like it, and share this video with those people who are interested in buying this. Also guys, you cannot reverse fit this, like you all cannot exchange the right and left tip and then insert in the case. You all have to make sure that it is fitting correctly, the right bud should go in the right side etc. And putting this over here and using this, it is very comfortable, guys. As you can see, it fits like a glove in my ear canal, and one of the best headphones, I would say, in terms of design and comfort. And if music quality is your highest priority or comfort is your highest priority, it is worth getting this particular headphones, guys. And it really looks stylish like the AirPods Pro, and nobody will say like this is costing below 1000. So this is my best bet. Again, I have done a review for other headphones also, so do check that out in the link in the description or in the cards. And let me know in the comments below what you think about this particular headphones. I hope you enjoyed this particular video, guys, as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel, because there is always something new to learn on Creative Soft. Also do check out all these awesome videos which we have. Again guys, thanks a lot for watching this particular video, and see you in my next video.